Hello, my dear students of Anand English Medium School. Myself, Mr. Vishwadit Rangnekar sir, and today I am going to teach English poem for Standard 4. Poem 1. I am going to teach the very first poem, and the name of the poem is Rain in the Night. I repeat, the name of the poem is Rain in the Night. Let us see some difficult words. The first word is Gutters. Gutters. Gutters means channels at the edge. Edge म्हणजे काठ of the street that carry off water. रस्त्याच्या कडेला जी गटर्स असतात त्या गटरांमधून पाणी असं वाहत असतं. That is a gutter. Okay, edge means काठ. Then the word is second word is pansies. Pansies means what? Small plant, जो छोटे छोटे plant होते हैं, having purple, yellow और white velvety flowers. उसके flowers में एक feature होता है velvet. Velvet कैसा होता है? Soft and shiny. So these plants have soft and shiny purple, yellow or white velvety flowers. Okay. Let us see the poem, my dear students. The poem is a short description of rain. And you know, this is monsoon. June, July, August. September is a monsoon season. And it is a short description of a poem. I am just going to read the poem. A very beautiful poem it is. Raining all night long. Raining all night long. Means it is raining all night long. Since the night it is raining or it has been raining. रात्रभर पाऊस पडतच आहे. Sometimes loud, sometimes soft. Means sometimes loud means sometimes the rain is very heavy. It's raining heavily. It's raining cats and dogs. And sometimes it is drizzling. हल्की बरसात हो रही है. In this way, sometimes the sound of the rain is very loud and sometimes the sound of the rain is very soft. Just like a song. And when we listen the sound of raining, it is just like a song. जसं काय आपण गाणं ऐकतो असं आपल्याला वाटतं. There will be rivers in the gutters. And lakes along the street. जब बरसात होती है, जब भारी बरसात होती है, when it rains heavily, then all the places become just like lake. Lake का मतलब यहाँ पे तळ आपण ज्याला म्हणतो किंवा river. You know, when it is raining heavily or every year when it rains heavily, then our Panchanga river gets a flood. And all the villages around Panchanga river, they are submerged in the rainwater. त्या नदीच्या पाण्यामुळं जो पूर येतो त्या पुरामुळं नदीच्या जवळपासची गावं सगळी पाण्यामध्ये थोडीफार गेलेली असतात. They cannot come to Kolhapur and the people in the Kolhapur cannot go to their villages. Means the places have become just like a river, the places have become just like lake because of this heavy rain. Okay, it will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. It will make our lazy kitty, Kitty. Kitty का मतलब है a baby. Kitty का मतलब है kitten, means a small baby of a cat. It will make our lazy kitty to wash his little dirty feet. Generally what happens, all the cats and kittens are very lazy. They always take a little nap at a corner or sitting on the bed, sitting on sofa especially. They are just taking a little nap, closing their eyes. Okay, they are not agile, they are not active, they do not work properly just like ant or bees. So the kittens are lazy. That is why, because of rain, the legs of the kitten have become dirty and it will make to wash his legs. Okay. The third stanza, देखो, the roses will wear diamonds. The roses will wear diamonds. It means what, my dear students? When it is raining, the raindrops, okay, the raindrops fall on the roses. The raindrops fall on the roses, and the drops look like diamond. The drops look like diamond means as the king and queens wear the diamonds. Okay. The raindrops will look like diamond, like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. The pansies जो छोटे छोटे plants होते हैं, they will get muddy. Why? Means the mud will splash on the plant. Okay, the mud will splash on the plant and they will get muddy. उनपे चिखल, ज्याला आपण म्हणतो चिखल, त्या प्लांट्सला चिखल वगैरे लागेल, थोडेसे मळतील, मळकट होतील. In this way, I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. जो नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे होते हैं, especially they are fond of sailing paper boats when it's raining. The small kids, they are fond of sailing paper boats when it's raining. In the same way, the poet says here, मैं भी कल पानी में पेपर की नाव छोड़ूंगा. In this way, in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. लेकिन वो पहले मैं पेपर बोट छोड़ने के पहले मैं क्या करूँगा कि पहले जो लिटिल पैंसीज है, जो छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स हैं, वो मैं पानी से धोऊंगा. वाटरिंग पॉट, जो पॉट में मैं थोड़ा पानी लेकर मैं वो all the plants I will wash and then I will sail my boat at wonderful places. So it is, my dear students, a short description of a rain, and I liked this poem. I hope you too liked this poem. आपको भी ये कविता पसंद आई होगी. I hope you understood this poem. If you have any difficulty, if you have any problem or any query, just dial on our school's phone number. Have a nice time. Thank you.